Do you love slime? I know my kids love slime. That's why I chose this to be the inspiration for our next cake on the Robin's Nest. It's going to be an oozing toxic slime cake. Now, if you like slime and if you like cake, hit those like and subscribe buttons and get ready to get your slime on. Well, let's get into it. So I've whipped up some slime green vanilla cakes and I've already leveled them and cleaned off all their caramelization. So since it's a slime cake, I want to see slime oozing from the inside of the cake as well. So the first thing we're going to do is create a little barrier, or a dam if you will, of buttercream around the outside of the layer, and then we're going to fill that with some slime green vanilla pudding. Now we're going to get this into the fridge to firm up our buttercream dam, and then we're going to come back and we're going to start our crumb coat. Okay, now that we've finished our crumb coat, we're going to set our cake aside, and then I'm going to grab a piece of gray fondant and roll it out, and we're going to cut it in a panel shape to wrap around the cake and create the barrel effect. Alright, so we finished our fondant paneling and it doesn't look too bad. So the next thing we're going to do is set this aside and we're going to start working on our hazard symbols. So we finished our toxic hazard sign and our caution strips, and I've also cut out some gray strips of fondant, and we're going to try to make that barrel look a little more like a barrel. So I'm going to take a little bit of water and we're going to paint it onto the cake where we want to put our strips and use that as glue. so we finished putting on our decorations. All we have left to do is make our slime. So what I did was I mixed up a little bit of white chocolate ganache and I mixed it with our slime green colors, and we're going to use that to make it look like it's coming out the top and oozing down the side. Alrighty, so I filled a piping bag full of my chocolate ganache, and I'm just going to snip the end off and we're going to drizzle it all over the top. Well, here it is, our toxic slime cake. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It looks so cool and I can't wait to try it and see what it looks like inside. I really hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell, and I'll see you guys next time.